Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food All Around. Today we are going to make Palak Aloo, a perfect combination for roti, naan, jeera rice and many more. So let's get started with the recipe. To boiling water, add 3 bunches of cleaned palak and allow them to cook for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the flame and transfer them to a bowl with super cold water. This helps the palak to retain the green color. Once the palak is cooled completely, transfer it to a blender. Then add in 4 green chillies, handful of coriander and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Blend everything together until smooth paste. Then I have taken 5 boiled and cooled potatoes and cut them into cubes and add the potato cubes one by one into hot oil and fry them on high flame for about 2 minutes by stirring them occasionally. After 2 minutes, the color slightly changes and the potato cubes are nice and crispy from outside and soft from inside. Now for the gravy, to a pan add 1/4 cup oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add half teaspoon cumin seeds and give them a mix. Then add in 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Mix and allow the onion to cook on medium flame until the color changes to slightly brown. Then add in 1 tomato finely chopped and give it a mix. Then add salt, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix and cook on medium flame until the tomatoes are soft. At this point, add 1/4 cup water and cook until the oil separates from the edges. Now add in the prepared palak paste. Mix and cook on medium flame for about 2 minutes. At this point, add water if required to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Then add in 1/3 cup curd. Mix and cook for another 2 minutes on medium flame. Then add in half cup fresh cream and mix it until well combined. Then add in 1 tablespoon butter and give it a mix. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon Garam masala powder and give it a mix. And finally, add in the fried potato cubes. Mix them gently into the gravy. Do not overmix. Once the potato cubes are coated well, the aloo palak is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.